One, two. Hello! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, ayan, nakikita niyo na yung angle na to. It just means one thing. We are unboxing something. So, as you've seen by the title, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of 17's Semicolon special album. Yeah, so this is another K-pop related video. So if hindi nyo masyadong gusto yung mga ganitong types of video, then you're free to click out. So okay, without further ado, let's get started. I'm joined by my friend Ruthie. She also joined me nung last unboxing ko nung Hengare. Pero syempre, through video call lang. So, I'll tell her to say hi. So, okay, let's open it na. Actually, na-open ko na siya because I checked if 3 nga siya. Because I ordered this off of Shopee. Although I have like so much albums coming this month, nag-order pa na ako sa Shopee para lang I can unbox it for this video. Kasi nga, yung mga orders ko na yun are group orders. If you're like a K-pop fan, you can check out at Ajucard on Twitter because that's our K-pop shop. Nag-order pa rin ako kasi gusto ko na nga siya ma-unbox kasi nga atat talaga ako. I'm super duper impatient. Anyway, i-open na natin siya. Then, ayan. I'm not actually sure if these are first press albums, but I'm hoping na first press siya para hindi naman masyadong sayang because these are more expensive. I think they're around 1,200 each because they're directly from Korea. So I'm gonna be linking the shop down below or here in the screen. Good thing the packaging for Semicolon is not as ugly as Hengare. Because last time I had to literally use a hairdryer to open it properly. Ano ba yan? Sira. Ooh, the shop gave me freebies. So, ito yung freebies ko. I got a Wonu. This is for Sam and Ruthie. It's a transparent photo card. Wonu. Joshua's. And Hoshi's. Wala bang pa-DK dyan or pa-June? May authentication card siya for Hanteo. Oh, I didn't know that. Nice. First time ko mag-order sa shop na to So yun. Anyway, hindi ko nga sure kung first press to or hindi. Pero either way, okay lang din naman because I'm getting first press anyway. Okay, let's open the first album. Why am I nervous? My nails are gonna break. Oh wait, this is first press! Oh my god! Oh my god! I think I know na who. Aww. Why did I open it like that? Ayan, oh my gosh, kita na yung color. Ah! So this is the album. Are you ready? Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't know if it's S Groups or Joshua. I think it's S Groups. I think it's S Groups. No, it's Joshua! See, I told you. Lahat ng unboxing ko for you. Ay, hindi ko pala nasabi. My bias list pala is, starting from the very first is DK, and then June, and then Jonghan, S-Coops, and then Mingyu. Wow. Wow. Damn. Damn. Ang gwapo niya, sis. And then, ayan, yung weaving kit. Ayan, isi-stress ko yung sarili ko. Wait, I'm gonna remove the cards. I'm not gonna go through all naman. I'm just gonna look at it for myself. Sige, unbox ko na lang rin yung weaving kit. Tingnan ko kung ano itsura. Kung maintindihan ko ba to. Never mind. Nahulog na yung needle. Ayan siya. May instructions siya in English and Korean. Feeling ko kahit may English instructions, hindi ko pa rin ito magagawa ng maayos. So, grabe, what am I gonna do with this? Okay, now for the pulls! Wait, unahin ko yung hindi photo cards. Like the mini cards. Oh, the sticker pala is also here. Ayan, it's same naman for everything. And then the folded poster. Oh, wait! Iba-iba pala yung, may iba-ibang version pala yung folded poster. Oh my gosh, ang gwapo nilang lahat. Chat. Okay. Yee! Yee! I'm gonna start with the unit card. So 1, 2, 3. Min 1. Oh my gosh. Bardagulan na to, guys. Hala, ang ganda. Pero it's like super nipis. Like it's super flimsy. Ay, shit, nabuksan ko. Hoshi! Hala, ang cute. Ang ganda ng suot niya. Ay, nako. Ang swerte naman ng mga friends ko sa akin. And then the circle card. Kapag si DK ito, grabe. Oh, Joshua! I think this album is for you, Ruthie. And then last, DK. Sige na, kahit isang DK lang, oh. Sige na. June! Yay! Oh my God! Yes! Yes! Ala, ang gwapo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, time for the photo cards. Should I show it both agad or just one? Okay, one na lang muna. 1, 2, 3. This is literally what I don't have. Oh God. Okay, and then next. Wait, hanapin ko yung focus para. 1, 2, 3. DK! But I'm complete already. What the fuck? Yay, so these are my pulls. Oh my gosh, I love this album, ha? The inclusions. Min 1 over there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna close my eyes para hindi ko na makita. Malamang, alang nga makakita pa ako pag nakasara yung mata. Okay. Oh my gosh. Na-pierce ko yung photo book. Baka magka-damage. Oh my God, why do I have a feeling it's Joshua again? 1, 2, 3. Mingyu! Ah! Yes! Ay, shit. Oh my God. Hala, hindi ko napakita yung back ni Joshua. Ito yung back kay Joshua. Damn. Damn, son. Oh my God, Mingyu. Nice. I'm living for my pulse, huh? Mingyu is my fifth bias. From third, now fifth. Ay, hindi ko rin pala napakita yung CD kanina, but it just, ay, baliktad. Just looks like that, yung CD. Wala naman akong CD player, saan ko na naman isasaksak tong mga CD na to? Again, I'm not gonna go through the pages again.
And I will today. I will.
돌아오세요.
Don't give up.
But yeah, I'm just gonna skip na all throughout. Mamaya ko na to enjoyin. Pakita ko na lang yung min 1. May min 1 ba dito? Oo eh. Ayun, yung min 1. Ayan. For everybody's sake. Okay, now for the pulse. Same lang din naman. Meron siyang folded poster. Ayan, I got the same version. And then, the sticker, same naman silang lahat. So yeah. This is probably the worst unboxing ever. Okay. So, unit cards. Ah! Hindi ko nakita. So, unit cards again. I mean, card. 1, 2, 3. John and Dino! A. Ayan. Oh my gosh, okay. Now for the other card. I saw but I didn't. I saw like a glimpse kasi na-flip ko siya. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hoshi again! And then for the circle card, eto feel ko si DK na to eh. This circle card, since I've been eating a lot of cornetto lately, it feels like the top sa cornetto. Okay. DK na to. Who's Oh my God, Jihun Bilog. And then last is this oblong. Roar, roar, roar. Look at Timara's father. 2 Hoshis. Okay, eto na. 1, 2. Wait, it's not focused. Oh wait, it is. 1, 2, 3. Dino! This card is so nice. No. You know, this camera is so hard, huh? Oh my gosh, Dino. Yes. Who's your guess for this pull? S groups. 1, 2, 3. Vernon! Oh my gosh. Bakit lahat na lang talaga for you? Like, walang mintes. Wait, di ko rin ata napakita yung likod ni Mingyu. No way. Wow. Sana ito na lang yung sa harap. But wow. Wow. Tapos weaving kit lang ulit. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan because same. Last but not the least. Okay. Now, guess the pull. Guess the photo book. Hala, I pierced through the photo book again. Oh my God, alam ko na kung sino to. Oh my God, I saw the color. I hate myself. No! No way. No freaking way. No, I'm gonna cry. 1, 2. No, but really, oh my god, I could cry. Again, this weaving kit. Oh my god, sis! Okay. Wait, I don't know if kita. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Parang, oh, anong tingin-tingin mo? Gusto mo, ah? Asa ka? Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna just stare at this during my free time. Wait, I don't wanna go through everything na. Oh, this is so cute! Hala, favorite color ko na ata yellow. Oh, oh my god. 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 Oh my god, ang gwapo ng suot ni DK dito. Oh my god. Oh my god. Take a shot every time I say oh my god. And then another poster. I think it's just one version. Or this is the version for first press. And then the sticker. And then, oh my god. Forget all DK. Oh my god. As if. Okay, unit cards. 1, 2, 3. Yay! 218 bros. Ang cute. Okay. Hala, bakit siya folded? Ang sad. Pero sige. 1, 2. No, I don't think so. Hoshito. Singkwan! I like this outfit. I wanna buy. Wow. Pero ang gwapo niya here. Next is the circle. Kita ko na dahil sa light. Hoshi? Oh yeah, Hoshi. Hindi, nakita ko kasi sa light. But fine. Okay, next. Who's your guest? Come on. Because you want Joshua? Gabi. Oh my god. One, two, three. Oh my god! Woozy. I remember someone DM'd me. She said she adopted a manta, a stingray, for Woozy. Okay, last. One, two, three. Oh my god! Hello, Shopee. Can I cancel my order? Time to time to post in Marketplace and Twitter.